What if there's another you, living a completely different life, in a different universe? That's not a science fiction fantasy anymore, because scientists now think the multiverse might actually be real. Okay, let's break this down. The multiverse isn't just one idea, it's many. Some say there are other universes totally separate from ours. Others, they say every decision you make creates a new reality. You said yes. One universe. You said no. Another was born. So why do scientists actually believe this? Because of quantum mechanics. Particles behave like they exist in multiple places at once, until we observe them. And that weirdness, it might be the universe splitting. Some scientists think every quantum event creates a brand new universe. Right after the Big Bang, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light. It didn't just create our universe. It might have created bubbles, each one its own universe. That's the theory behind eternal inflation. Our universe, just one bubble in a cosmic foam bath. Ever heard of string theory? It says the universe isn't just made of atoms, but tiny strings vibrating in 11 dimensions. And some of those extra dimensions might contain other universes. We're playing one note on the cosmic violin. The multiverse, it's the entire symphony. Here's the catch. We can't see them. They could be beyond our observable universe, or hidden in other dimensions. But some scientists say black holes might be gateways, or even collapsed universes themselves. Every black hole could be the birth of a brand new universe. If infinite universes are real, then anything you can imagine, it's happening somewhere. But where exactly is our universe? That's what I'll show you in the next video. Subscribe, because this rabbit hole goes way deeper.